In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import student contact list to Teachable. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring your existing student contacts into your school quickly, cleanly, and in a way that respects email consent and data hygiene. Start by signing in to your Teachable admin and heading to the Users area, then select Students. This is where all of your learners live inside your school, and it's the right place to add a new roster in bulk. In the top right corner, click the Add Students button. You'll see options for adding people one at a time, but since we're working with a list, switch over to the Import CSV tab. This tab is designed specifically for bulk imports and saves you a lot of manual typing. Before you upload, make sure your CSV file is properly formatted. At a minimum, it should include 2 column headers, name and email. Put each student on a separate row, with the full name in the name column and a valid email address in the email column. Keep the header names simple and lowercase to match what Teachable expects, and avoid extra spaces or punctuation in the header row. It's a good idea to double-check that every email address is correctly spelled and that there are no blank rows or duplicated entries. If your list contains additional columns, that's fine, but name and email are the essentials. Teachable needs to create each student profile. Once your CSV is ready, upload the file on the Import CSV tab. If you plan to send students emails through Teachable, like course announcements, onboarding messages, or marketing updates, be sure to check the box confirming that these users have consented to receive emails. This helps you stay compliant with email and privacy regulations and protects your sender reputation. If you don't intend to email them from Teachable, you can leave that box unchecked. When everything looks correct, click Import. Teachable will process the file and add the students from your CSV. If the platform detects any issues, such as a missing email or an invalid format, it will flag those rows so you can fix them and try again. For most clean lists, the import completes quickly, and your students will appear in the Students section shortly after. That's the entire process. Go to Users, open Students, choose Add Students, switch to Import CSV, upload a file with name and email, confirm email consent if you'll be reaching out through Teachable, and click Import. Keep your CSV tidy and accurate, and your import will run smoothly. Thanks for watching, and happy teaching.